Okay, so guys, today i-deposit natin ang ating nakuhang airdrop na every. Ito yung nakuha ko lang na every. Kakaperanggot lang, pero not bad. Since nasa base, under base network siya, pwede na po nating ma-deposit sa Bybit under base mainnet. Okay, so gawin natin. So go to your Bybit account. Sa mga wala pa, you can use my link kung gusto nyong mag-explore sa Bybit exchange. Okay, so go to here sa asset, then click deposit, then click deposit crypto, and then search here the token that you wanted to deposit. This time I'm going to deposit the every world token, so this one. So now we need to choose the base mainnet, not the ERC one. So from here, click the copy address. Okay, just copy this one and then go to your wallet. If you ever had the chance last time to withdraw or to claim your every world token from every world website, so supposedly it should be in your wallet na. So from here, click send. If you want to try, just test a few tokens first before sending everything for purposes of trial and error. But okay, for me, I'll just send it all. Send. So paste here your address there, and then the every amount, I'm going to choose the maximum amount because I'm sure already. But if you're not sure, then just send the trial test first. Okay, so next. So make sure that you have I think a token for ETH base network for gas fee. So the gas fee is very, very cheaper compared to the mainnet, the ETH mainnet. So this is ETH base network, so the fee is very cheap. So confirm. So, pasensya na, nag-i-English ako kasi may nag-request sa akin na I have to speak in English. So, that's why I said, oh no, my nose will gonna bleed a lot. Char, bakit tayo na ito? So, now, okay. Go ahead. Confirm it. And so, for a moment, let's try to check it if ma-receive na natin. Okay, so let's try sa Bybit. So from here, deposit confirmation in progress. See, I receive a notification that the deposit is in progress already. So I can also check over here the progress. Yeah, so there you go. So we need to wait for 30 confirmation until we receive that. So that's all. After that, you can start trading it if you like. So there you go, deposit confirmed. Succeeded. Congratulations.